now you can see why this is my favourite kebab house in Rhyl. It is excellent, thank you sir. And that's the chicken doner rotating, not quite ready yet, would be nice. And that's the lamb doner. And if you want to find this place, it's called Bodrum, and it is on Water Street in Rhyl, where you get service with a smile, and the home delivery service is fantastic from here. It always arrives hot, always arrives in excellent condition, and I can highly recommend it. And by now, boys and girls, you know if I recommend it, it's going to be good, right? Okay, thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.